Welcome. In front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5000 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and you can turn on the mode by tapping on it. You will see the message DND on, and the icon will go back to the, rather not go back, it will get highlighted. So basically it will change the color. You will see the icon right here at the top as well. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And to disable the mode, let's say you want to disable it now, open the quick panel, tap on the icon again. You will see the message DND mode off. The icon will go back to gray color. The icon from the tab will disappear right here, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And of course you can press the side button to go back to watch face. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode through the settings, and there you can also set up a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. So basically it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically. And to do that, we need to wake up the screen, press the side button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called DND mode, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have all DND and scheduled DND. All DND, basically all day DND. If you tap on the switch next to it, it will turn on the mode and turn it off, like when you tap on the icon on the quick panel. And the scheduled DND, like I said before, it allows you to make a schedule, and the mode will be turning on automatically and turning off automatically. And to do that, first you need to enable it, I believe, and then you will be able to set the start time and the end time. Start time is the time on which the schedule will be turning on, so the mode will be turning on, and end time, of course, is the time on which it will be turning off. And by mistake I closed the settings, so let me go back. Okay, so first let's set the start time rather. So tap on it, swipe on the hours and minutes. So I'm gonna set it to something like 10:30 p.m. The touchscreen on this watch is a bit wonky, doesn't work as well as it should, I believe. Okay, then tap on the check mark to confirm. End time, let's set it to something like 6:30 a.m. Okay, here we have it. And once you're done setting it up, you can tap on the check mark. Tap on the check mark to confirm, and the schedule will be enabled. And my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 6:30 a.m. And of course you can turn off the schedule by tapping on a switch if you want to. And of course after you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.